How to fix access is denied in Zarchiver in Android. So if you want to fix your access is denied in your Zarchiver in Android, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, open up your Play Store. From your Play Store, you need to go with search and search for Zarchiver. And here, if you have any updates on your Zarchiver, you just need simply go and update it. After updating, your problem might be fixed. But if you don't have any updates, then you just need simply open up your settings. Under settings, you need to scroll down, tap on apps. From there, you need to tap on manage apps. And here you need to search for Zarchiver. Once you find it, just tap on the Zarchiver and then you need to go with clear data, which will be in the bottom, and tap on clear cache. Tap on OK. Now go back and then you need to search for files. Once you find files, you need to tap on it and do the same as well. Go and clear your data for your file manager or your files. Go with clear cache and tap on OK. And once you do that, just simply go and restart your device, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. Now, if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.